Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Aditya Iyer. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader, and we are here with yet another video celebrating Women's Day. And today we have with us Dr. Lakshmi. Dr. Lakshmi, welcome to this wonderful video. Thank you so much for taking the time out. Now, Dr. Lakshmi, you are a doctor, you are a trader, you are a wife, you are a mother. How do you do all of these things together? It is so wonderful to hear this, and please speak about your journey in the stock market and how all of this is possible.
Sir, thank you for inviting me on this platform. I'm really privileged that Dr. C.K. Narayan's team himself, yourself is calling me up. I'm really enjoying this moment. I'm a doctor, I'm a physiotherapist. So I have a fixed working hours, like morning 3-4 hours and evening 3-4 hours. And I have a whole setup of a hospital where I have to see other administrative duties as well. But and trading itself, if you have to do intraday, is a full-time job itself. But
Right.
I'm really thankful to the NeoTrader, which gives extremely ready-made trades to you. आप सिर्फ buy देखो, SL देखो, and you are relaxed. So you can manage things very easily with it. I'm happy to be part of a NeoTrader family.
That's wonderful because see, considering for any woman, like men juggle few responsibilities, but as a woman, you have to juggle so many responsibilities in your life. So time becomes of essence. So do you think you're using NeoTrader, especially since you mentioned, does it save your time and help you sort of fulfill all your responsibilities in an easy way?
Yes, sir, very much. See, I like NeoTrader's first thing is, dashboard.
Okay.
So you don't see where market is heading today, is in a bullish mode or bearish mode, which sector is up today, pharma is up or today metal is down. So in a one glance, you can have all the view and accordingly you can think. And if you open the intraday page, there I see the ready-made trades. So it makes my job still easier for me. So my time is much more saved, I can say. So I take very fast and my execution is very fast. So within a span of a 1 hour, I can say, you can make a handsome amount, and then I go to off to my duties like that.
That's wonderful. That is wonderful to hear from you. So what is your favorite strategy from NeoTrader, or favorite page, I must say, that you like to use?
NeoTrader, I like the dashboard the most. The pre-market opening, I see where it is going. So accordingly, I prepare my mind, like when market will open, what sector look upon. So then I open that and then I go for the intraday page. Which is a very quick money making day to day. अपने को बोलते हैं ना खर्चा पानी के लिए तो निकल जाता है कम से and for a long term, I see the EOD pages, and at the end of the day, EOD follow through on the next day morning. And the swing trade is also very much helpful. And I'm thankful to you guys, like you introduced now to the options also,
Right.
which makes my job still easier कि मुझे strike price भी सोचने का time जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है.
Right.
So
That's
very
great.
smart,
So how has your experience been with the options page, the new options page?
Sir, very much wonderful. I like it very much, especially the BTSTs and the intraday pages. It makes my journey so easy, sir. Like, every time nahi to iska chart dekho, iska sochun, लूं. Very much simplified now. अभी तो I'm relaxed. कि भाई हाँ लेना है तो NeoTrader देख लेते एक बार.
That is great, madam. I think sometime back you spoke of BTST. You had posted about one trade in BTST that you had done. Would you like to talk about that trade, how you took it, and what you went through while you traded?
Yes, sir. Like there was, I see a chart again after in afternoon around at 2:30. I open the NeoTrader and see accordingly. So there was around, I think, first week of Feb, there was one given SBN was given in a BTST.
Right.
So I took it in options because future I thought it will be a little more riskier. So I took an option, and next day there was a 8% gap up.
Wow.
So good fortune on that day.
So 8%,
really wonderful.
8% overnight return in one trade. So that is,
Yes, sir.
So you went to the clinic, you came back in your free time, exactly at 3 p.m. the BTST trade comes, you took the trade, The next day,
Yes, sir.
you again went to the clinic and came back. You saw it was 8% up and you exited.
No, it was a gap up in the morning itself.
Oh, in the morning
So,
itself. Great.
yeah, but the first 15 minutes, you know, that my target is done, trade is over. I exited. I went back to clinic at 10 o'clock.
That is just wonderful, and that is superb to hear. So
So very less time consuming, not very much taxing on your mind, whether your analysis is wrong sometime, as we are very much new to the market. And when, you know, hands like Raja sir, and Dr. C.K. Narayan is here, so why shall हम लोग क्यों मेहनत करें इतनी ज़्यादा?
Madam, now, you know, there are many ladies out there, there are many women out there who will listen to your story and be inspired. And there are many of them who want to enter the market. So for someone who is absolutely new, especially some lady who's absolutely new, who has had a break in her career, or who wants to enter and start a secondary source of income, or even a primary, what should they do in the stock market to reach where you have reached today?
I am also a newbie, I feel, because it is only 1 year old in the market. And when I started last February, I even didn't know there is something like F&O or intraday trading, candle, chart, technical and thing. I was extremely new. And you have to do one course with the Raja sir, like this 7 steps to the financial freedom I did last year. Then Neo Trader is there. And in fact, I feel the whole team of yours is so much supportive, sir. Like, हम लोग इतना एफर्ट नहीं डालते हैं like every alternate there is a one webinar, weekend there is a question answer, then Sunday meetup is there. Like we are not you know into it like as much you efforts are putting up. भाई आप आओ खाली आप कुछ मेहनत थोड़ा सा ध्यान लगाओ तो आप बने कुछ है. I feel always, and you have to be little disciplined. Mindset has to be worked. You should have capital, and start with a small. If you are new to this, you know, one. I will say like even the one share you can start. Not if you cannot afford the one lot. You start slowly, gradually. You taste the waters. You see the journey is beautiful. You will definitely get the fruitful results.
So you think that support sessions that happen, you know, we do some live market support sessions, some Friday Q&As. You think that helps you learn new aspects of the market and learn new strategies?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Even you know, if it is a written like question answer on the pivot points only, so I know pivot point well. I do use it, but still there are small nuggets. You know, here and there tweaks are there, which always helps you to smoothen your journey in this road. You know, I really helpful those small things.
That is wonderful, madam. So now, what is your one message? Since it's Women's Day, what is your one message to all aspiring women traders out there?
Trading is a very beautiful, can be easily done and with a little time consuming, but you have to be disciplined. If you have a desire to learn, you have a capital, then you have to focus, give some time. It is like, you know, I will say not a less than a graduation you need to do. So it's not one day, chalo aa jayega. Neo Trader really helps a lot, you know, cut short your journey. But discipline is the key. Mindset has needed. Definitely, you can be financially freedom, can be achieved. Fruitful results will be there, sir. Definitely, I had achieved a great results in this year at least.
So I think I give all that credit to you, and hats off to your dedication, and hats off to the amount of work that you do in your life to juggle everything. And you gave a very important point about discipline. You know, I honestly believe that women are far more disciplined than men. You know, okay, some may agree to disagree, but this is my personal view. So I think that because discipline is such a important aspect of trading, women automatically have a natural edge to trade. So what would you think about this subject?
Sir, आपका बड़प्पन है, and do trail me कि like women are better traders.
Yeah.
So I hope कि मैं अपने ग्रुप वाले जो बाकी सब है उनसे मैं आगे निकलूं, फिर मैं ये सेंटेंस और अच्छी तरह से बोलूं.
No, 100%, with the level of dedication and with everything that you're doing, 100%. I have no doubts.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. आपके blessings.
Okay. And once again, thank you so much for coming out and doing this interview with us. It is wonderful. You have inspired a lot of people with the words that you've said. And I'm sure that more and more women traders we will see in the next decade, that compared to what we saw in the previous decade. Thank you so
सर
much, madam.
इसमें क्या है ना सर, ट्रेडिंग के लिए आपको ज्यादा चीज की जरूरत भी नहीं है. एक इंटरनेट है, एक मोबाइल है.
Right.
आप बैठ के at a little time used and with a small capital also you can start. So you know it's not a very difficult thing actually. I will feel.
Right.
थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो, फोकस करो. एंड नियो ट्रेडर तो है ही अपने साथ.
वही 9:45 से लेके 3:30 तक. And if you're doing intraday, you can be done by 3 o'clock, 3:10. So that spot, you know, like for most people, agar if you have kids, you can get your kids ready and send them to school, and you know,
Yes.
you have that free time, and that free time can be very you know, productively used if you are trading, and if you have something to trade.
Very little time, नियो ट्रेडर है, आपका थोड़ा डिसिप्लिन है, फोकस है, it can be managed sir easily.
Yes, okay, madam. And finally, like if you for all the people who are part of our NeoTrader community, who are already using NeoTrader, so what is the 3 things that you would ask them to focus on? Your 3 advice to them to be successful.
Sir, mindset is the first thing, and second, I feel like you should look where the sector is going, where market is heading. ऐसा नहीं कि जैसे फार्मा जो ऊपर जा रहा है लेकिन उसका एक ही कोई नीचे जा रहा है, तो वो ऊपर जा रहा है, one stock is going down and you are putting your leg in it.
Right.
So you have to be really understanding the market well. Start with the small amount. See, test the waters. पहले आप देखो, समझो. मार्केट को समझने में भी 1 साल लग जाता है, very frankly. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके आप जैसे समझो इसमें कैसा करने का क्या, तो फिर ठीक है ऐसा.
So mainly see the dashboard, you know, understand the market, go to the sector view and pick the leading and lagging sectors, and then finally move on to the stocks.
Yes sir, definitely.
Okay, madam. So thank you so much once again, and that was my last question. It has been really amazing to have this you know, free flowing talk with you, and I'm looking forward to you know, seeing you as active as ever in our WhatsApp community also.
Yes sir, definitely sir. I will also like to achieve the greatest heights with your help and support. Definitely I will be there.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you sir. Thank you.